Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our discussion topic is about passive voice of present perfect tense. यानी कि आज हम present perfect tense के passive voice का method सीखेंगे. In affirmative sentences, which are also called simple sentences or positive sentences में हम क्या करेंगे? We are using two helping verbs. One is has been plus third form of verb, and the second one is have been plus third form of verb. But has been we use with he, she, it, or any singular noun or pronoun, and have been we will use with I, we, they, you, and plural nouns. And you already know in all passive voice sentences we are using third form of verb, either the sentence of present indefinite tense or present continuous tense or present perfect tense. We will use third form of verb, but you will see some changing of helping verbs. Just like in present continuous tense, we are using helping verb is being and are being in passive voice sentences, and in present perfect tense we are using has been and have been. Now come to the negative sentences of present perfect tense passive voice. As you know, after the main helping verb we will use not, just like has not been, have not been. Has not been we will use he, she, it, or any singular noun and pronoun, and have not been we will use I, we, they, you plus plural nouns. Now come to this. I hope so all of you have understood affirmative sentences and negative sentences also. Now the third one is interrogative sentences. As you know, in all interrogative sentences we use main helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. You will see here we will use has if the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun. We will use has. Then right after the subject, right after the helping verb, main helping verb, we will use object, and right after the object we will use supporting helping verb, then third form of verb. And if the subject is I, we, they, you, plural nouns, we will use have in the beginning of the sentence, then right after the have we will use object, then being, then third form of verb. Now students, come to the WH words. You already know I have discussed about WH words in previous lectures: which, where, how, when. These are called WH words. If you will see WH words in the sentences in Urdu form, kaise, kab, kidhar, then we will translate first of all these words: why, where, how, which, and then we will use main helping verb. In the sentences has or have according to the subject, and then object, then been, then third form of verb. Dear fellows, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. I hope so you will like the video and share with other fellows. Let's start with exercise. लैंप रोशन नहीं किए जा चुके हैं. अब किसने लैंप नहीं रोशन किए? वी डोंट नो अबाउट दिस. दैट्स वाई इट इज पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. The lamps have not been lighted. It is negative sentence. That's why we have used right after the have not here, then supporting helping verb. क्या छुट्टी का ऐलान नहीं किया जा चुका है? Has the holiday not been announced? It is interrogative sentence. That's why we have used has according to the this one here. मैं वो हिरासत में नहीं लिया जा चुका है. He has not been taken into custody. उसे मुलाजमत से बरतरफ नहीं किया जा चुका है. He has not been dismissed from service. क्या उसके कपड़े फाड़ दिए गए हैं? अब किसने फाड़े हैं हमें नहीं पता इसके बाद. That's why it is interrogative sentence of present perfect tense. Have his clothes been torn? And then we have put here question mark. क्या सब तुलबा को ए ग्रेड दिया जा चुका है? Have all the students. Students ज़्यादा हैं. That's why we have used have here. Have all the students been awarded grade A? मकान में सफेदी कब की जा चुकी है? When has the house been whitewashed? In this sentence you will be observed that it is WH words. That's why we have translated it first, and right after the WH word we have used here main helping verb. मुझे हमीद का अता पता नहीं बताया गया है. अब किसने अता पता बताना था? वो ही नहीं पता. तो that's why it is passive voice sentence. I have not been told about Hamid's whereabouts. क्या मशीन को तेल दिया जा चुका है? Has the machine been oiled? गरीबों को कहाँ खाना खिलाया गया है? Where have the poor been fed? खराब सेब नहीं खाए जा चुके हैं. The rotten apples have not been eaten. घर में नकब नहीं लगाई जा चुकी है. The house has not been broken into. क्या अमीरों से टैक्स वसूल किया जा चुका है? Has the tax been received from the rich? फटे हुए नोटों को जोड़ा नहीं जा चुका है. The torn notes have not been mended. बच्चे को सुलाया नहीं जा चुका है. The child has not been put to bed. क्या उनका अतिया मसूल हो चुका है? Has their donation been received? उम्मीदवारों को रोल नंबर क्यों जारी नहीं किए जा चुके हैं? अब क्यों की इंग्लिश पहले करेंगे. Why have the candidates not been issued roll numbers? ये भी क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस ठीक है. And the next one is why have the roll numbers not been issued to the candidates? क्या तमाम वोटरों के नाम रजिस्टर में दर्ज किए जा चुके हैं? Have all the names of the voters been written in the register? उस उम्मीदवार को एक वोट भी नहीं दिया गया है. No vote has been cast in favor of this candidate. इस फैसले पर इत्तेफाक नहीं हो चुका है. This decision has not been agreed upon. क्या अजनबी की रहनुमाई की जा चुकी है? Has the stranger been guided? क्या तमाम गवाहों को बुलाया जा चुका है? Have all the witnesses been summoned? जलसा मुलतवी क्यों किया जा चुका है? क्यों? Why has the meeting been postponed? क्या डूबी हुई कश्ती दरिया से निकाली जा चुकी है? Has the sunken boat been pulled out of the river? कबूतरों के पर नहीं काटे जा चुके हैं. The wings of pigeons have not been clipped. क्या शेर पिंजरे में बंद किया जा चुका है? Has the lion been caged or has the lion been shut in the cage? कुत्ते को कुएं से नहीं निकाला जा चुका है. The dog has not been pulled out of the well. क्या सब लड़कों को जुर्माना माफ किया जा चुका है? Has the fine of all the boys been remitted? आपके खत का जवाब नहीं दिया जा चुका है. Your letter has not been replied. बैंक से रुपया कैसे निकलवाया जा चुका है? How has the money been withdrawn from the bank? I hope so you have understood all the points which we have discussed today. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Dear fellows, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. I hope so you will like the video and share with other fellows.